Okay, so I went ahead and bought the shotgun, because apparently it's really overpowered, so let's see how well it does. This is a bit of a large map, so I don't expect to do too well with the shotgun, but I've seen what the shotgun can do, and it worries me a lot. So let's see if we can, yeah. That's what I was hoping to do to other people, except it got done to me first. Yeah, it's a shotgun. That kill took a little bit long to motherfucker, die already. Pistoling people in this game is funny because the pistols are absolutely trash. I don't know where that grenade's going. A lot of people up here for some reason. Okay. You gotta spawn down on lockdown, huh? Thank God for dynamic spawns. Oh. God. This fucking shotgun. Okay. There are people over there. Let's not go that way. Unless they decide to run over this way, which I guess I can kind of pop it at this range. The shotgun's ranges are absurd. That's a one-shot. Absolutely absurd. This guy has no idea we're coming up behind him. Just fuck him in the ass real quick. Nope. That's not something I can challenge. The shotgun, man. Why is the shotgun so good? This fucking shotgun. Alright, cool.
Satellite link open. Turn on your heat sensors.
Ooh, am I gonna get a good flank on these people, on all these people? Nope, because he turned right in time. That fucking timing. Nope. You thought you could flank people. Jesus. Alright, maybe the shotgun isn't that great. Got a slow ass rate of fire, that's for sure. What the hell kind of sight is that? Slow ass fucking rate of fire is throwing me off. And the fact that a shotgun like this has a sight like this, God, that triggers me. Okay, well, didn't expect to, I didn't expect it to kill at that range. Maybe, does aiming down sights actually do something with the shotguns? I feel like it does. Maybe it does. I'll try to, I guess, take a look. Can't really jump too far. See the guy right on the other side. And of course. Not that surprised.
Skill sync transmit complete. Over.
Fuck is that? Random fucking headshot. Alright, I'll take it. Random fucking headshot. Rip. Is there even a point to aiming down sights with shotguns? I'm not really sure. I can't really tell. Actually, hold on, let's test it. Alright. Oh yeah, so there is a difference. So bullets, so it's kind of like Black Ops 2, where your bullets, your not bullets, pellets actually do tighten up if you aim down sights. Okay, that's good to know. At least. Very good to know. So there actually is a point to aiming down sights then. Unlike most games where it doesn't really fucking matter. Yeah, like that guy. I just fucking popped that guy from all the way from over there at that distance, aiming down sights. All right. Boom, popped. Okay. So this is kind of reminding me of the Keltec or the Argus from Black Ops 3. Missed that one. Okay, so it does have a range though. So outside of a certain range, it won't really work anymore. Which, you know, that's how shotguns usually work in first-person shooters. Wait a minute. If it can still one-shot people out of that range, does this mean that the shotgun is actually a one-shot if you... No, okay, never mind. So that time I hit the guy, but apparently not all of the pellets hit, so it's not an automatic pop one-shot, you're dead kind of thing.
Thanks for the assist.
Rip that guy. Even hit that guy. This shotgun is something, man. This shotgun is definitely something. Yup, just pop. 2 shots from that range. God, the shotgun. The shotgun is unfair. Who thought it was a good idea to fucking bounce the shotguns this way? Ah, he got me first. Yeah, it's a shotgun too. Where are we going, friend? Let's just throw a random nade, because I don't know where they're spawn. It's almost a waste of time to try to predict spawns in this game. It's like, not only does it have dynamic spawns, but you really have no clue where they're spawning at.
Send them a little surprise.
I mean, unless you really know the map that well enough to predict them, or to be able to predict them. But I'm not at that level yet. Not gonna kill him with the pistol anytime soon, so let's not even try. He got me. Ah, he got me first. Lucky fucking headshot. Fuck you, bitch. I don't want to lose it. Whatever. Probably a better idea for me to have just played with the with an AK, but whatever. Worth. We get to see how freaking strong the shotguns are in this game. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That guy is so heated, I bet.
Skill sync transfer complete.
The fuck?
Got your skill. Moving out.
Shotgun is absurd.
Upgrade skill download.
Actually, we could bring this back. Shot too early, but hey, still got it. Oh man, if I actually gotten a kill for that, I would have been. We barely. If I had killed that, managed to kill that one of those guys, we would have won.
Mission is a failure.
If only, right? If only. If I didn't choke. Oh well. That's fine. Shotgun is overpowered. At least it's imbalanced. Probably not overpowered, but hey. If you know what you're doing with the shotgun. Jeez. Slaughter people by the masses. No bonus EXP? Fucking top frag, bitch. I also heard the scar's pretty good too. Maybe I'll try that out later.